What if I told you this motorhome doesn't just drive, and it listens, it understands, and it obeys. No buttons, no switches, just your voice. And this smart motorhome does the rest. Welcome to the future of road travel. From the outside, this motorhome already looks powerful and futuristic. Clean aerodynamic lines, a bold front design, and a premium finish that instantly tells you this is not an ordinary RV. But the real magic begins when you say, "Open the awning." And just like that, the awning slides out smoothly, lights turn on, and your campsite transforms in seconds. Automatic steps, smart lighting, and intelligent sensors work together to give you a luxury hotel vibe, right in the middle of nature. This motorhome doesn't just park, it makes an entrance. Now step inside, and you'll forget you're in a vehicle. Modern design, premium materials, soft ambient lighting, and a perfectly planned layout. Everything feels open, spacious, and insanely comfortable. But here's where things get crazy. You don't touch anything. You just say, "Turn on the lights. Set the temperature to 72. Lower the TV. Close the curtains." And the motorhome responds instantly. The kitchen is fully equipped with smart appliances. The dining area feels like a luxury lounge. And the bedroom, quiet, cozy, and hotel-level comfortable. Even the bathroom feels high-end, with smart water systems, premium fittings, and clever space usage. This isn't an RV interior. This is a rolling, smart apartment. Under the hood, this motorhome packs serious performance. A powerful engine designed for long highway drives, steep mountain roads, and smooth cruising. Advanced suspension keeps the ride stable and comfortable, even on rough terrain. But what truly sets it apart is how intelligent everything feels. Energy-efficient systems manage power usage automatically. Solar integration helps extend off-grid living. And smart controls make driving and parking stress-free. This motorhome doesn't just move forward, it thinks ahead. Now let's talk about the big question: price. This AI-powered, voice-controlled motorhome comes in at approximately $350,000 to $500,000, depending on configuration and features. Yes, it's expensive. But remember, you're not just buying a motorhome. You're buying a luxury home, a smart home, and a powerful travel machine, all in one. For tech lovers, luxury travelers, and future-ready explorers, this price actually makes sense. This motorhome proves one thing loud and clear. The future of travel is not just electric, not just luxury, it's intelligent. And once you experience a motorhome that listens to your voice, going back to a normal RV feels impossible. Would you live on the road like this? Let me know. Because honestly, I already want the keys.